How to draw Blippi. We are going to start off by drawing Blippi's face. For this, we will first draw a U-like shape for the bottom half of his face. Next, we are going to begin drawing Blippi's glasses. For this, we are going to draw a curved line at the top of the left side of that U-like shape we just drew going inwards. Awesome! Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we are going to connect them in the middle. Then at the very top on the outside of the glasses, we are going to draw a curved line on each side. Next, we will draw a line across the top connecting the glasses. Great job! Learn how to draw hoop crew. Now we are going to draw the inside of the glasses. For this, we are going to draw a square-like shape inside each side of the glasses. Looking great so far! Next, we are going to draw Blippi's eyes. For this, we are going to draw an oval inside of either side of his glasses. Next, we are going to draw two curved lines inside of the outline of the eyes. These will be in a circle-like shape. Then we are going to draw a small circle inside of that for the pupil. Looks awesome! Now let's do the same thing for the other eye. Looking great so far! Learn how to draw hoop crew. We're done with the hardest part of Blippi's face. Next, we are going to draw his mouth. For this, we are going to draw a U-like shape near the bottom part of his face. Then we are going to connect it at the top with a straight line. Next, we are going to draw his teeth, which will be a long, short rectangle below that straight line we just drew. Awesome! Next, we're going to draw his tongue. For this, we'll draw a small half circle on the bottom part of his mouth. Then we are going to draw Blippi's nose. We will draw a small curved line above his mouth in the middle, and then draw a small curved line going downwards from the left side of the middle part of his glasses. Now we are going to draw Blippi's ears. We are going to draw a C-like shape connecting to the left side of his face near where his glasses are, and then we are going to draw a small line for detail inside of it. Now we are going to draw his right ear the same way. Next, we are going to finish drawing Blippi's face and draw his hat. We're going to draw two small lines going upwards, extending both sides of his face a little bit. Then we are going to draw a long line going across the top, connecting to those two lines we just drew. Now we will begin drawing his hat. For this, we are going to draw a curved line starting at the top left side of his glasses that curves around and upwards above that line we just drew. Now we are going to draw a similar curved line on the right side. Then we are going to draw a curved line for the top of his hat. For detail on Blippi's hat, we are going to draw a line going straight down the middle, but not connecting to the bottom part of the hat because we're going to draw the line going all the way to the left side of the hat. Next, we're going to draw Blippi's eyebrows right above his glasses. Awesome job! We're all done drawing Blippi's face. Now we are going to draw two short lines going downwards from the bottom of his face for his neck. Next, we are going to draw a V-like shape below that connects to the neck. Then at the bottom point, we are going to draw a circle. We will come back to that circle and draw the two sides of the bow tie later, but first we are going to draw Blippi's right shoulder. For this, we are going to draw a curved line going outwards from his neck. Then on the inside of that towards the bottom, we are going to draw a straight line for part of his arm. Then we are going to draw a few curved lines for his sleeve that will be rolled up. Now we are going to do the same thing that we did for the right arm for the left arm on the left side of Blippi. Next, we are going to draw Blippi's torso. For this, we are going to draw two straight lines going downwards right inside of that line that we drew for his arm. we'll draw a straight line across, connecting those two lines at the bottom. Now we are going to draw a straight line going downwards in the middle of Blippi's shirt, starting at the little circle we drew, going all the way down to that straight line we just drew. Then we are going to draw Blippi's bow tie. For this, we are going to draw a sideways heart on either side of that small circle we drew earlier. Now we are going to draw 4 small circles on the right side of the line going down the middle of his shirt for Blippi's buttons. Now we are going to draw Blippi's suspenders. For this, we are going to draw a small rectangle on the bottom of the left side of his shirt, and then we are going to draw 2 straight lines going all the way from the top of his shirt to this rectangle. Now we are going to do the same thing on the right side for his right suspender. Now we are going to draw Blippi's pants. For this, we are going to extend the lines on either side of his torso. Now inside of those 2 lines, we are going to draw 2 more lines for the inside of either leg. These will not connect at the top. Then we are going to draw 2 small lines at the bottom to connect the bottom part of his pants, and then a small line near the top in the middle to connect those 2 lines for the inside of his legs. Now we are going to draw Blippi's shoes. Now for the last part, we are going to draw Blippi's arms. For this, we are going to start by drawing the right arm and draw 2 lines going downwards from the bottom of his sleeve. These 2 lines will be going diagonal towards his body, and then his hand will look as if it's on his hip. For his hand, we are going to draw a curved line at the bottom, and then we are going to curve that upwards towards the right outline of his arm. Great job! Now we are going to draw his left arm the same way that we just drew his right one. This is how to draw Blippi. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time.